In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly connect LM Studio to n8n. Getting these two powerful tools to work together can enhance your workflow, so let's get started with a step-by-step connection guide to ensure everything is set up just right. First things first, you will need to set up LM Studio on your computer. If you haven't already, go ahead and download and install LM Studio from the official website. Once installation is complete, launch LM Studio, and let's get ready to load and start your model. Now head over to the Discover section within LM Studio. Here you'll find a selection of models available for download. Choose a model that suits your needs and download it. Once the download is complete, load the model into LM Studio. After loading, there's an important step. Click on Start Server. This action will activate the server and make your model ready for connections. Pay special attention to the localhost URL displayed in the developer section of LM Studio. It should look something like http://localhost 1234/v1. Make a note of this URL, as you will need it shortly. Next, let's configure n8n to recognize your LM Studio model. Open your n8n instance in your browser. If it's your first time, you will need to create a new workflow. Otherwise, just open an existing one where you plan to integrate the LM Studio model. Add a new node to your workflow and select the OpenAI chat model node type. Once you have this node in place, it's time to set up the API credentials. Inside the OpenAI chat model node, you'll find an option to input credentials, specifically create a new API key credential. While the API key field accepts any text, don't worry too much about its content. The base URL is critical. Enter the localhost URL you noted earlier, that is http://localhost 1234/v1 into the base URL field. If you're running n8n through Docker, you'll need to replace localhost with host.docker.internal to ensure a proper communication between Docker and your computer. After entering the base URL and API key, save your credentials. This setup tells n8n where to find and how to communicate with your LM Studio server. Now, back in the OpenAI chat model node, click on the model dropdown. Here, you should see your loaded LM Studio model listed as an option. Select your model, and that's it. You have successfully connected LM Studio to n8n, allowing you to leverage the computational power of LM Studio models within your automated workflows. This setup not only broadens your AI capabilities, but also streamlines your processes significantly. That wraps up our connection guide. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this tutorial helps you make the most out of your LM Studio and n8n integration.